Welcome to our daily quick at-home workout. Some days we just need low impact just to move the body to boost our mood and elevate our energy. Today's one of those days. Let's go 10 minutes of just nice light movements. Nothing too strenuous today. Just gonna bring all of our presence, all of our awareness into each movement. Just a simple, slow, standing march to get going. Bring that knee up as high as you can. You can come up on the tippy toe a little bit if you like. Build some balance, a little extra strength in the calf muscle. We're just gonna take it nice and easy today. Slow and steady. The important part is just to keep showing up, build consistency and discipline. With every movement, just find a nice flow for you. Gentle reach, just with a little side step. Of course, modify every exercise for you. You're feeling like picking up the pace a bit. You can do this much quicker. Of course you can. Maybe you just some nice light movement. Get the day started off right. We're gonna warm up the body. Hopefully boost our mood and elevate our energy. Even with just some nice, simple, low impact exercises. Great for the days when maybe we just don't feel like doing a workout. Not feeling motivated. Well, it's the action that creates the motivation. Motivation never happens when we want it to. We got to create it. And a little light movement can be so helpful to get us moving in the right direction. Let's take our knee and fall to the side. Knee and a little twist. Knee up and twist. It's just that march, but now we're just adding a nice twist in there. Talked about it the other day. Mel Robbins is a great teacher, has a theory of or mode for action where you just count down from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you just go. Don't overthink it. Don't wait to be motivated. Just act. Sinek's another great teacher about taking action. Standing cat-cow. So just chest out, arch the lower back, and then like a cat, nice rounded back. Just find a flow here. Chin up, real integrity, getting really good stretch. Go at your pace. You can warm the body up nicely here. Can reach it out to add a little extra. Just shake it out. There it is. Yes, feeling good. It happened. It was a little trickier getting started today, but just, it's almost once, right? We get this habit that we've formed so well, becomes automatic. That's pretty great. Just nice, gentle arm circles. You can just arm circle if you like. You can go big circles, small circles. You just do what's working best for you. Mix it up. You can add a little heel tap if you like. Just gentle, kind of good for the hand-eye coordination. Maybe we take the arm circle and we go backwards as well. Just stick with this for a moment. All your awareness, all your presence into this one simple, sort of simple movement. Okay. Whew. That gets the shoulders working nicely. So we're going to take sort of just like a standing hamstring curl. So we're engaging our hamstrings, and you can reach it back with the upper body at the same time. So can full body exercise. Get your arms up a bit more. Keep working on those shoulders. Get this great movement for the lower body as well. One more. Ooh, not bad, not bad. We're doing lots of step back lunges. We want to modify it today. Just, you go all the way down if you like. If you're feeling this movement today, that's brilliant. I'm feeling a much more modified, easy. Pick a spot, chin up. Real integrity in the movement. And just go at your pace for a few. Couple more. Brilliant. Legs out a bit, widen your stance. Just gonna go to one side and just reach. Foot comes up. A can opener, I like to call this. I don't know why exactly. Again, you could really pick up the pace and get that heart rate up if you wanted. I'm just feeling nice and slow and easy today. You know, how you move is so important to me. It's that we move. Just find movements that you can enjoy, things you'll stay consistent to, and build on it day in and day out. We just want to move these amazing bodies of ours, boost our mood, elevate our energy, build a little bit more flexibility every day, a little bit more strength. Let's go the other way. Functional fitness so that we can move through our day a little stronger and with a little more ease. That's freedom. Be able to do the things that we want with ease, run up some stairs, carry our groceries, get up and down off the floor. Oh yeah. One more. That's it. Not bad for low impact and easy. Just a little gentle movement can go a long way. Let's finish it today. Take a moment to just be here now. But let's forward fold. As deep as you can go. Bend the knees if you like. Just be comfortable. Drop the head. If you get your hands to the floor, wonderful. Wherever you are is great. But let's just hold it here for a moment. Just a great exercise to build flexibility, but let's just be here now. Pay attention. Notice the mind wander. Bring it back. Come on up. Well done. Keep coming back. Show up for yourself day in and day out. Find movements that you love to do and just keep doing them. Build on it every day. I will see you tomorrow. Goodbye.